Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm up in the doll nook with a happy mail from Holly from Holly's Dolly Hobby. Love that name. I say it all the time. It's one of my favorite YouTube channel names. It's just so cute. Look, I say it all the time. When you get happy mail, it's not just the item inside. It is that the person took the time. Yeah, Drew, I need the good cutters that you got me. I'm upstairs and they're downstairs, and we brought a bunch up. It's not just that they took the time to pack your Happy Meal. Most people have to take it to the post office to send it to you and pay to have that sent. So they have the cost of the Happy Mail and the time and the postage, which is worse all the time. Oh, have a happy Halloween. How cute is that? You know, I love black cats. Dear Morning and Daring, sending you some fall season greetings and a few fun surprises. Have a happy Halloween and warm and joyful Thanksgiving. Much love, Holly. Oh, Holly, you're so sweet. You are. Watch Holly's channel. You'll see right away how sweet she is. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh! I got to show you the container, but once I got it open, I had to show you this guy. Oh, he's so cute. If you don't know, I have a very large collection of troll dolls. They are not on display, but I have many. Look at this little chest. Oh my God, that's so cute. And there's more. Let's see. Open. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, look at this. Holly's Dolly Hobby. And there's Holly's YouTube, Instagram, and email. And, oh, look at these stickers. These are, oh, and stems with the spiders. Oh, these are cute. Did you make these, Holly? I need you to leave that in my comments. Oh, love it. I just got a t-shirt with those on. Oh, so cute. Oh, that's really cute. And Barbie. Oh, thank you, Holly. Very nice. Wait, there's another owl. Ooh, love it. Oh, I love these girls. Love, love, love these girls. I've been sewing for them. Thank you, Holly. She's at a good home. She is at a good home. And there's one more thing in here. Let's open it up and see what she sent. Oh, look at this. Thank you so much. Halloween and Thanksgiving trolls. Oh, Holly, thank you so much. And I love her. I love it all. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm going to leave Holly's link in my description. Please go by and look at her channel. She has a lot to offer. She goes to doll shows. She has high-end dolls and other dolls. Really a good channel. Oh, thank you so much, Holly. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.